I used to have a fast car. On weekends I would race 396 Super Sport. Always came in first place. I didn't run for money, ran only just for fun. But that was years ago. Now that is all done. We used to pick a road way outside of town. When the word got out, so many people around, shifting through those gears, hitting them every time. But that was years ago, way back in my prime. From that race car to my SUV, not thinking of speed, now miles per gallon is the key. My goal now is to be safe with my family inside. No more shifting gears, just a peaceful ride. From that state of mind, from how fast can I go? Now I'm taking it easy, carefully and slow. But I still have memories of driving so fast. When I was younger, way back in my past. That race car to my SUV, not thinking of speed, now miles per gallon is the key. My goal now is to be safe with my family inside. No more shifting gears, just a peaceful ride. That race car, that fast race car.